All right, we're out in Moab. We're going to talk today about how to pack smart for a day on the trail.
To start, we've got our off-road recovery gear. It's essential to always have a recovery strap with you. We've got a 30-footer here. Really helps out with vehicles that might be a little farther out in distance. We can utilize this in several ways. Again, essential to have on the trail with you, whether you're recovering yourself or a friend while you're out on the trail. Along with our recovery strap, we also carry a full recovery kit, another essential item to carry with you. If you have a winch, be sure to have your remote control. Make sure it's properly functioning. If you have a wireless remote, always be certain it's charged before you hit the trail. Along with our winch remote, we're always certain to carry a tree saver. In our recovery gear, we carry a soft shackle. Along with our soft shackle, we're always certain to carry several versions of snatch blocks to go along with that winch.
Something else we always have with us is just a simple Pelican kit, just for some random stuff that's always good to have. We got a first aid kit, extra set of gloves, fire extinguisher, flashlight, zip ties, duct tape, and trash bags. We run a lot of events, collect trash for our groups, but it's also if you come across stuff on the trail. We're always big proponents of leave no trace and tread lightly, so we like to leave it better than we found it. So we're always picking up trash along the way and taking it back to town when we're done.
Another thing we take with us is a toolkit. So we go through anything that we've touched on this vehicle. If we used a wrench or a screwdriver, we make sure we pack an extra set in these. A basic toolkit is absolutely essential for being out in the trails. You never know what you're going to come into, what you might run on the trail. Sometimes you hear it clunking down there, you need to tighten a bolt. I mean, when we're off-roading, these vehicles are being put through the works, essentially, and sometimes you have problems. So you always take a toolkit with you.
To go along with the tools, we always take an impact wrench with us. One, it makes things faster, easier if you're taking a tire, if you have to unfortunately change a tire. Or like Ty said, if something loosens up, goes well with our impact sockets that we have, so we can tighten a control arm bolt or something like that. So you never know what's going to happen. Most often you might come across another off-roader that's out there, and he may need a hand and might not have the tools. So the more you have, the more capable you are for yourself and others.
Most of us, when off-roading, will air down our tires while we're out on the trail. This allows for a better ride quality and improved traction. If you're going to air down your tires, always be certain to have a way to air them back up. We carry a compact air compressor. It hooks directly to the battery. It's got a nice long hose. You can hook it up, access all 4 tires easily. Again, compact unit, allows you to air up relatively quickly. We carry a unit such as this for the air up, for purposes of air up. Gives you a readout what your PSI is as you're airing that tire up.
Some other important items we always have with us, communication devices. So right here, simple little handheld radio, multiple channels. Use these just to talk amongst the group. Like, hey, what's your 20? Where are you at? You doing okay? Got a left turn coming up. Or we might even, if we're out guiding people, we might use these. If let's say it's raining, windows are up, you want to have verbal communication, you actually guide them through an obstacle. So another vital component we always have with us is some sort of communication device to reach away from the trail. A lot of the times we don't have cell service. Luckily, we're out in parts of the country where that happens. So we always have a satellite phone with us. But we also carry Starlink now. Super convenient, got internet, can make a phone call, reach out for help, get your coordinates, let people know. So communication device is very important.
Last of the items on our packing list is a backpack full of a few more essentials. If you've ever spent any time in the backcountry, you know that weather can change quickly. Always keep a raincoat, perhaps a secondary layer in case of when that passing storm comes through. If the temperature drops a bit, you might want a little more coverage. Some sunblock. Bring snacks. Be sure to pack your lunch. We've always got plenty of water. If you're out in a situation where perhaps you have an issue, you can't find your way back home, whatever it might be, make sure you have plenty of fluids, plenty of snacks, plenty of food. If it's not you, it could be someone else in need. So be sure to bring all of these items along for a smart day on the trail.